Welcome to How to Make Ice Cream. Some materials that you would like to use is Jell-O, baking soda, citric acid, a big spoon, and a small bowl. But in order to complete this experiment, you must follow 4 safety procedures. 1 includes make sure you have an adult present. 2, wash your hands after doing the experiment. 3, do not joke around while doing the experiment. And 4, make sure you return materials to its proper place.
Step to our experiment is adding a teaspoon of citric acid to our small mixing bowl. Next, we are going to add 1 more teaspoon of bicarbonate soda into the same mixing bowl. The last thing we will have to add into this bowl is 2 level dessert spoons of jelly crystals, or also known as Jell-O powder. In order to taste better, we can add more to the bowl. Now we will mix all the ingredients slowly together and grab about half a teaspoon to place it into our tongue.
Once we've tasted our mixture, we will be able to tell if we need to add more of a certain ingredient. We will know what to add from what we taste and feel. If the taste is too bitter, we'll simply need to add more jelly crystals. Now, if there isn't enough fizz in our mixture, then that means we'll have to add either more bicarbonate soda or citric acid.
When combining an acid, which in this case is citric acid, and a base carbonate soda with saliva, they mix together to create a carbon dioxide gas in the form of a bunch of teeny bubbles. This is the same type of bubbles in the carbonated drinks like soda.
We chose to do our project on acids and bases because this was the most interesting chapter to us. During the lab we did in class for this chapter, we immediately became interested in discovering more about this topic because the experiment had been so eye-catching. Another chemistry concept that we discovered during this experiment was an endothermic reaction. Endothermic means that heat is taken in by the reaction because the energy of the system has increased. This will create a drop in temperature. The last chemistry concept we found in our experiment was reaction rate. Baking soda is NaHCO3, and water, which is saliva in this case, is H2O. Added together you get NaOH and H2CO3, which are sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is the fizz occurring in the experiment. Eventually the mixture will release CO2 gas when the H2CO3 breaks down.
In the late 1800s, Swedish chemist Svante Arrhenius proposed that acids and bases gain properties because of the action of ions in the solution. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1903 for this reason. The world's strongest acid comes from the carbonate superacid. It is considered to be 1,000,000 times stronger than concentrated sulfuric acid. Most of the time when we think of acids, we connect it to foods and chemicals for experiments. However, every person contains acid inside their bodies and produces them as well. When it comes to digesting food and killing off harmful germs, our stomach uses hydroxylic acid.
Finally, we discovered that both acids and bases are separated into ions when placed into water and conduct electricity.
It burns! Why would you swallow it? You don't feel that?
Okay, spit it out!
Wait, I swallowed it! I don't know!
Do not look.
No!
It tastes like Kool-Aid.
It is!
Oh.
Wait, no, actually, Albert!
That's what you're not supposed to do!
Wait.
To not look!
Wait, it really burned. I'm not even playing.
There you go.
Can somebody blow in it?